Enabling biometric login on Fiverr can enhance your account security and streamline your login process. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Fiverr app. Download and install the Fiverr app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Ensure you have the latest version for the best features and security. Step 2. Log into your account. Open the app and log into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. From there, look for the settings option, usually represented by gear icon, and select it to access your account settings. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. In the account settings menu, find the security or privacy section. Look for the option labeled biometric login or fingerprint/face ID. Toggle the switch to enable biometric authentication. Step 5. Confirm your choice. After enabling biometric login, you may be prompted to verify your identity using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into your Fiverr account using biometric authentication. This added layer of security helps protect your account while making access easier.